Crypto Guy 518. Today we're doing a strategy that'll net you a couple extra bucks, and it's called the blue, green, yellow, red strategy. Stay with me. Please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. So the strategy we're going to go over today, I actually got from another YouTube video. It's called the blue, green, yellow, and red strategy. And this strategy can work for beginners, and it's really meant for beginners, but you can really use it at any level. I've been using it and been getting a lot of success. So what you want to do is, this is going to be what we're going to pretty much go after. So what we're going to be dealing with is moving averages. So we're going to be dealing with the 8 moving average, the 13, the 21, and the 55. And it's crucial with the colors. Make sure we keep it blue, green, yellow, red. And when you short the market, you just want to go the opposite. So we're going to keep that in mind, and these aren't just any made-up numbers. These numbers are actually from the Fibonacci sequence. And if you're not sure about that, you should look it up. It's very educational. So back to here. So we want to come to Trading View, and if you don't have that, it's actually free. You can buy a paid plan. If you'd like to sign up for it, I have a link in my description down below. So what you want to do is come to Trading View, sign up, get an account. And we're going to deal with Bitcoin US dollar on the Coinbase platform. So I have another tutorial explaining somewhat about TradingView. If you would like to check that out, please check out my channel, Crypto Guy 518. It's really informative, and as you can see, pretty much do tutorials on different tools to make money in the crypto market. So back to TradingView here. What you want to do is you want to come up to the tab called Indicators. And then when you get to indicators, you want to hit 4EMA. And then I have it highlighted here. So you want the 4EMA by fill. So you just want to click on that. We're going to X out of here. Okay, and then when you come over here, you want to go to the settings. Okay, so when you come to the inputs here, this is very crucial. You want to make sure you have 8 at the 1, 13, 21, and 55. Then we come over to style. We're going to want blue, is the first one, and bring the opacity all the way up, and you want the line thickness to the max. We come back, we're going to want this one green, down here green, again opacity all the way up, thickness to the max. This guy's going to be yellow, yellow, again opacity up, thickest line. This one's going to be red, opacity up, this line. Okay, so now we got that. So the basic strategy that we have going on here is, so as we go back to refer to the thing here, if we're looking for the market to go up, we want these moving averages in this sequence. We want 8, 13, 21, 55. So in essence, we want blue, green, yellow, red. If we're going to make money off the market going short, we're going to want the opposite, red, yellow, green, and blue. So as we come back to TradingView here, we're currently on Bitcoin, like I said. Okay, so as we come here, we want to make sure that when the blue, green, yellow, red, that is a bullish sign. So as you can see right here, we are blue, green, yellow, red. The blue crosses the green, and that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the blue to cross the green in the blue, green, yellow, red sequence. So this is perfect. So right here, as you can see, we are on the daily candle, which it's the most effective. Right here you can see is where it starts to pick up. So right here is where we would enter a trade. If we were going for long, we would enter a trade here. And remember, every candle is worth 1 day. That's what it represents. So as we come back here a little bit, we can kind of see as they cross. So the last one previous to that would be right about here. You can see the blue crosses over the green, and then it comes all the way up over to here. And then I would probably exit right around here. As soon as it starts to dip a little bit, you can see the green getting closer. The color sequence, like I said, is very, very crucial. So again, that is if you're going to long the market. Now, if you're going to short the market, Chainlink US dollar here, and as you can see here, so we have the red, yellow, green, blue. So if you were to short the market, this isn't really the best example, but it's one of the quickest ones I can find. This is what we would want for short, just the opposite of the long. To do shorting and long in the market, you can use a platform like Phoenix. This is a leverage trading site, and again, I have the link in the description if you haven't signed up for it. We'll both get a little bit of incentive if you do. Use the link. Leverage trading is basically the use of borrowed funds to increase one's trading position beyond what would be available from their cash balance alone. So that is the basic strategy for this. This is very crucial. It's just called the blue, green, yellow, red strategy. You can use Coinbase Pro to use this simple strategy. The fees are very low, and if you don't have an account with Coinbase, there's a link down below. You have to actually sign up with Coinbase Regular, and then you automatically would be signed up for Coinbase Pro. And Coinbase Pro is where you would literally have your fees cut in half. And I use it, and it works really, really well. So if you stick with this and you want to make a couple extra bucks a day, or over the course of days, or just you want to dabble your feet in trading and day trading, see what you can do, give it a try. Crypto Guy 518. Please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button,